Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. See what's there for Scorpios. Okay, we have the Four of Swords, the Page of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Lovers, the Moon card, the Ace of Cups, wow, the World, and the Two of Wands. Messages from this deck for the Scorpios. Wow, beautiful. Guidance from the angels for Scorpios. Guidance from the angels for the Scorpios. Nine of Action. Okay, so Scorpios, there's a lot of healing going on. There is a situation perhaps which has happened in your life which requires you to take a time off. You are taking a break, basically taking the time off, trying to prepare yourself sort of for a new beginning which is definitely coming in. So there has been a lot of healing going on, ready for a new beginning, which is coming up with the Page of Wands and with the Ace of Swords. So definitely there is a new beginning for you over here. With the Ten of Wands and the Lovers and the Moon card, what I see here is that you are unburdening yourself from a situation. Perhaps whatever the situation was which required healing, this new beginning is sort of helping you to unburden whatever the thing was in your life. Followed by the Lovers, and with the Moon card, there is a relationship or a partnership or a friendship, whatever this is, which is coming up in your life. Though the things are still not very clear to you, just trust your instincts and take this relationship slow. Don't plunge into it and don't put into this situation. Don't rush into it, whatever this situation is for you. If it's a friendship, it's a partnership, whatever it is. Though the things are not very clear to you as for now, but just though it is a connection which is helping you to unburden yourself. So whatever healing has been done, it is sort of this connection is helping you in that healing also. Okay, so though the things are not very clear for you as for now, followed here is the Ace of Cups and the World. So definitely it's a beautiful connection which is giving you a new beginning in the life. It's a new chapter which is coming up in your life, which is giving you a lot of emotional happiness and satisfaction. So definitely there is a new beginning over here. With the Ace of Swords, this thing has started, whatever it is. After that healing is done, you are unburdening yourself. This connection is helping you to heal, giving you emotional fulfillment. And with the World card, a new chapter of your life is being written. Something new is getting started over here, and you are ready to take that journey. You are ready for this new beginning because you have healed from it. You are sort of prepared, or you have sort of gathered that information, that resources, that inner work has been done. So basically you are ready to make a move. You are ready to plunge into the life and ready to move ahead with all that energy you needed. Okay, so it is a beautiful spurt of life which I am getting. So definitely it is a connection which is obviously healing also for you, and it is giving you emotional fulfillment also. And the way it is happening and shaping up your life is that you are now ready to take that plunge into life once again. And over here with the Four of Clubs over here, it is again a solid foundation. So Yeah, it didn't turn up over here, but with the World card and with the Ace of Cups, it's similar to that. It is talking about stability, it is talking about foundations. So, whatever this is, it is long term, it is committed, it is solid, and it's stable. With the Nine of Action, you worked hard to create the things you cherish in your life, such as beloved relationships, amazing accomplishments, hearth, and home. Rest assured that all these treasures and you are being constantly protected by your angels. In return, the Mother Earth and animals and environment need your protection. So basically, it's talking about the fact that you have worked hard in achieving whatever you are achieving right now, and it is the time for you to give and take. Try to understand that okay, now whatever you're getting to life, getting from life, it's a time for you to give it back to people. So the love you've attained, just give it back to the universe. So beautiful energy, Scorpios. So hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.